printable version of the HCG planner. When you purchase in my Etsy shop, which is called Wholehearted Me, you will have access to this folder, which will give you a copy of pounds and inches if you would like it, and also your planner. So let's open that up. As you can see, it's 12 pages. This is the heading. Just let me make that a fraction smaller. Let's go there. It's got an index. So this is the printable version. So it's not hyperlinked, but you could certainly put it on your iPad and use it that way. And you can copy these pages over and over again, however many times, for however many days you're doing your particular round. But it is the printable version. So, you know, costs less. It's for you to print. I used Printable for years. This round I wanted to do the iPad version. I want to just do it on my iPad, so that's why I've created this. I've created one for OneNote, and I'm about to create a hyperlinked version for GoodNotes. In OneNote, it's hyperlinked using the tree on the left-hand side. OneNote has a really great ability to skip around the document really fast, and so we use that functionality in OneNote. So yeah, you get all your information and your guides over here, and there's 4 daily templates to help prompt you with some of the things that are difficult and some of the things that you need to record, or that, you know, I love to record on the diet. So you get the 4 phases. You can record all your measurements, put all your before and after photos. This is the original protocol, although I am thinking of putting a product in my Etsy shop to customize this for anyone that wants it customized. The meal planner and the shopping list. And then we get to the 4 daily recording sheets. So over here, I scribble on what day I'm on. I like to record where I started, and so that I can work out how much I've lost so far. It helps me not to focus so much on today, but on the bigger picture, which I need to do that. Mine's filled out more with what I take and what I don't like. I take milk thistle and certain other things, which is, you know, helps your liver process as you're losing weight, and, you know, different things like that. So here I get to record it that way. I don't have to remember. My sheet does all the work for me. I like to keep a record of what I've eaten, because if I have reactions or weight loss or weight gain or stalls, then I can go back and check and see where that's all at. I notice a massive, significant emotional and mental impact day by day. A day 4 is normally, you know, a bit of a struggle at the beginning of a round. There's sort of different patterns I've discovered, because I've tracked this for so long. I've discovered patterns, and so I like to record how I'm doing out of 10. Emotional churn, emotional grind. Am I feeling fulfilled emotionally, or am I just blah blah, like I've just checked out for the day because it's just too hard, you know? And same mentally. I try and refocus my mind so that I can keep my head in the game, because that's the biggest challenge, I think. Eating the food is fine. The hormone is amazing at what it says it will do. So, and then the last sheet is for you to journal. It's really cool. Write a focused thought for the day, like hard things are possible. I can do hard things. That's a common one I use. And then just blah blah. Just write whatever you can here. How's it going? What's going on? Personal things. This is just for you. No one else is going to read it. It's yours. But you get to write whatever you want. It's better out than in. When it gets on the paper, you sort of become an observer of your own thoughts, and that's a powerful space to be in. So, you know, use this. I use it every day. Sometimes I write a lot. Sometimes I write a little. Sometimes I write 1 sentence. Sometimes I just write, yep, today was good, and that's it. So, but you're still acknowledging something for that day, which is really healthy. It's good self-care as well. So that's the Printable HCG planner. I hope you enjoy it and use it, and I hope it's a blessing to you. I certainly couldn't do a round without mine, that's for sure. So thanks. Please feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. Thank you so much and good luck. I hope you do well on your round.